In this video, the job matchmaking functionalities offered by the LawMatch semantic platform are presented. Three kinds of users are supported, namely job seekers, employers, and domain experts from the organizations participating to the project the platform has been developed into. After having logged in, a job seeker can describe his or her own expertise and abilities by filling in a standard web form. Personal data, language skills, and information about previous work experiences, as well as about former education and training, can be indicated, like in any common paper-based template. That is, the start and ending dates, as well as organization details of schools and employers concerned, can be specified. Then, the title and subjects or skills covered for each qualification achieved, or the position held together with professional activities and responsibilities related to each prior work experience can be described. Skills, professional activities, and responsibilities are the true outcomes of the job seeker's formal, non-formal, and informal learning experiences, and represent a key distinguishing factor for the recruiter to sort out applications received. In fact, in the job recruitment process, they will be matched against requirements set by the employer for the job position and will play a key role in determining selection results. Unfortunately, learning outcomes are generally expressed in so many different ways to make the necessary comparison extremely hard to perform. This is the reason why, in the project, domain experts from the education and labor wards have been asked to describe educational and occupational profiles from selected economic sectors in terms of a common language based on European recommendations. In particular, the knowledge, skill, and competence descriptors as defined in the European Qualification Framework for Lifelong Learning have been adopted. Data collected have been further processed by means of semi-automatic techniques to generate an ontological knowledge base serving as a basis for the implementation of computer-supported comparison algorithms, exploiting semantic similarity. In order to improve the expressiveness of the CV, the job seeker is now allowed to further describe each experience by eliciting the details about learning outcomes achieved. This step is facilitated by the semantic-based tools embedded in the LawMatch platform. In fact, besides being allowed to navigate the profiles and manually choose among knowledge, skill, and competencies available, he or she can use the underlying search engine and let the platform suggest the learning outcomes that best match a query string expressed in natural language. As a result, a CV annotated according to the shared vocabulary defined is produced. Employers are supposed to use the platform in a very similar way by publishing job offers and describing them by making reference to the same knowledge base. Thanks to the relations established between elements used for enriching the CVs and job position advertised, when a job seeker asks the platform to search for job offers available, he or she is presented with the best opportunities for the profile considered. Now, the job seeker can check the opportunity of applying for a particular job position by seeing how much the outcome of his or her study or work careers could be taken into account for a given position. He or she can also switch the perspective and focus on the recruiter's point of view by looking how far he or she is from the requirements set by the employer. In both cases, the platform is able to tell the job seeker which are the learning outcomes that are missing and which are those that are only partially aligned with the expected ones. This way, asymmetries in language, meaning, completeness, and level of details generally characterizing information flows involved in the job matchmaking process can be addressed, and a step further towards the implementation of a seamless European-wide job marketplace is made.